Next point is bookmarking and hyperlinking. So bookmarking and hyperlinking, how many of you would have done this? If somebody has done, I would like to listen to them. Anyone? Bookmarking and hyperlinking. Okay, sir, you prepare a report for management. Am I right? Many times you prepare a report and there are index like this. Am I right? Yes, sir. Sir, somebody has to answer me. So
hyperlinking we have done in PowerPoint. Hyperlinking we have done in PowerPoint.
The PowerPoint, sir. In the report I am talking. In the report, normally we give general, page number 1, time producers, page number 3, word, page number 4, like that. We give the index. Am I right? We prepare reports like this. Initially, we used to print and give the reports to people. Now, many times we send it by mail and all. You just have a look at this report. I mean, this particular document, what I have prepared. So when I click control and click time producers, it will go to time producers, right? Now I have put this one here. So when I click this, it will get off to this one, the top. Now Word, when you say click and then produce, it will come to the Word. See, this is the thing which I thought today I will speak. I don't think I'll be able to cover everything, but then maybe next day, some other day we can do. Now, this is how you do the thing. Now, how did we do this? Suppose you want to give a bookmark, like what you do in the thing, no? You can give a bookmark for all these things. So to give a bookmark, we can go and give, suppose topic is the bookmark. The manufacturing time you want to give a bookmark. So you select this and go to insert, and then you will have links. So in a link, you give a bookmark. Now you can change the name as start. I have given the name as start. So this is the bookmark for start. Now when I go here, now what I will do, I have not given a bookmark here. So I will go and give a link. Suppose I give this link. Where is available? It is available within this particular, this one, in this topic only. Sorry. You can give this link. This is the place because it is available in this directory. Okay, I will go to the bookmark. Bookmark is start. So I clicked it. Now I have come out. Now what happens when I hover here with a control click? You can see I am pressing the, when I go here, nothing happens. When I press the control, then it get a hyperlink, this one. So when I click this, it will go to my manufacturing tag. Is that clear, or should I have to again redo it? Is that clear, or should I redo it, please?
Clear.
Anyone wants a redo?
Sir, once.
Okay. So first, wherever you want to do, let us say I want the second one as the bookmark. I select what I want as a bookmark. And normally you are here. So you go to insert, then you go to links, then you have a bookmark. Then you give a name for this. Okay. You give a name for this, whatever you want to give. You can say start 1 or whatever it is. Then you say add. Now from where I want to come. So here I am not able to go, no, because it is not there. I kept it blank. Now you go here and then you go to link. You go to link. Then you go to bookmarks. Then you got to start 1. This is where I am linking this particular place to that bookmark. Now when I, sorry. Now when I go here, where I did. So all are same. Okay, this is page number. We will again redo it in page number 7. There is nothing. So we link, bookmark, start one, enter. Now when I go and press control, it will go to the top of improving productivity through office automation. Right? So this is all in a report. Instead of your reader trying to go to the 4th page, 8th page, then he has to do, suppose you have sent a Word file, then it becomes easy for him to go. Suppose he goes and clicks here, control and this one. But what happens? You will have to tell an MD or the the CFO, sir, I will send you a Word file. Then wherever there is an arrow or wherever I have given, you will have to say control and then click. He will get irritated. What is this Prasad sir, control, click and all. So normally we don't send a PDF, we don't send a Word file at all. We send a PDF file. So we can now save this as a PDF file and then send. Now let us see what happens if I save this as a PDF file. So you can directly save this as a PDF file. When I go to manufacturing, now I will take it as today's date, not 7, not 3, A I will put it, and then I will save. I have now saved this file. Now as a PDF file. Now I go to this one. There will be a PDF file available here. One second. Where did we save? I have just lost track. PDF file, save as a document 00 manufacturing I have done. Sorry. Okay, fine. This is the PDF file which we created today, 03A 2103 and 2103A. Now when we click this, now when you send the PDF file, it automatically go to this particular areas. See, I go and click here, it has gone to the top. I go and click Mac application, it has gone to the top Mac application. Now I want Word, it comes to Word, and then it. See, this way, your reader will be very happy when you send a report and then you are given page number 1, 22, 42 and all in a PDF you would have given. But then when he wants, then he has to go through like this, 22, 22, 22, you will be searching. Normally, when somebody gives me a report of say 10 pages, it's okay. If it is a 50-page report and I want to search, it becomes difficult. So as a unique person, you can give a PDF with a link option, then it will go and he wants to go to the this one, he simply clicks this and goes. So this will be a very good value addition for your reports. In case you are sending in a PDF, create a hyperlink, bookmark, hyperlink, and then do this. It becomes very, very comfortable and convenient for them. So like today's topics are covered here. Okay. So I just prepared some of the points for today.
Hello, sir. Sorry for interrupting. In PDF, hyperlink is also working because I have created the link on Word file. Then then have converted the Word file to PDF format, and in PDF hyperlink will also work, na?
Hyperlink, it is working, no? This is a PDF file. I am showing a demo PDF. I will tell
Oh.
you why it won't work for you. There is a reason
Yes.
for that.
Yes, yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
I am now giving you a hyperlink. You don't have a control click and all, you are given a report to a MD and tell the MD, sir, you will have to control click for hyperlink. MD will, if I am the MD, I think next minute you are out of the job. Whereas you can
Sure, sure.
and tell him, sir, wherever this comes, you will not only click, you will go to the particular place. Sir, go to the bottom, you can go back to the index. How beautiful it is.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Now,
Because
why?
I have used this earlier on in our audit file in that Word format. I have used the link option, but I never converted it into PDF. So I will
Even if you
nice
convert
to see
it
that.
into PDF, Rai Chaudhary Saab, it would not have worked. Because that is what I will now tell you. What you should say. See, we go
Okay.
back here. Okay.
Hmm.
This is a different file. Okay, manufacturing time. Now you want to save, you must very carefully observe what is happening. Save as this PC. Now you'll have to go and save. This is the place where you must again click, right? You go to PDF. When you give to PDF, right, there is something like more options. Am I right? You click
Okay,
this
sir.
more option. More option. What is it? Standard publishing, online and printing. Minimum size, publishing online. So normally we wouldn't have gone to the more option at all when we save. We simply save. Simply
Correct.
saving is for printing, publishing online and printing. Minimum size, publishing online. The moment you publish online, then all these hyperlinks and everything will come. And these are all the things. Look at it. Apart from, see, more options, then you got options here. When you want to do only the current page, you want all the page, create bookmarks using, you want that included non-printing information. You have created some bookmarks. You don't want it to be printed, so you can do that. So whether it is a PDF A compliant, image quality optimized karna hai, whether you want to save the PDF document with the password so that only the intended recipient can open it. So encrypt the document with the password. There are hundreds of options.
Okay,
So
sir.
when you are going to
For
save,
hyperlink to work, which option I have to use?
yes, sir,
Standard.
minimum size, publishing online.
Okay.
Sir, what happens when we try to save, we normally go to save as PDF, we lose sight of this particular small thing, more options.
True.
Correct. I never use that more options. I simply
Sir,
click that PDF and save it.
what I am trying to say is, we don't normally, if you look at Word, we are using only maybe say 1 or 2% of its capability, right?
Right. Absolutely.
Maybe all my time goes into how I will get additional time, because I know 24 hours is only I have, but I want to see movie, I want to sing songs, I want to teach, I want to share my knowledge and all. I need more time. No, where from I will get? If I am able to do something like whatever I am telling you people today, that is why all of you will get also more time from tomorrow. So we will have to go on be trying to find out how we should get. So the best portion is wherever you, from tomorrow you can see options. There are hundreds of options available. I had only shown you something. I have not gone into the full detail. Maybe some other time we will do that. How the display should be there, how the proofing should be there, where I should save, what should be my language, ease of access, advanced. There are hundreds of advanced options are there in Word. When we use many of them, your life becomes so very easy, I tell you. Now you just see.
Sir, in word options, add-ins, we can see the thing that the Microsoft Word is looking the updated version, the add-ins, and under the add-ins we can see the updated versions like column and other things. Can we do this? Can we update the our earlier Microsoft Office with the add-ins
You-
option?
Yeah, you can see when you go to view, when you have the ribbons and all, and when you go to this file option,
Hmm.
okay, when you go to file option, advanced, and you have got this add-ins, what you are
Add-ins,
asking, So you click this add-in. Now,
these options,
when you
these
click
options.
into add-in, what all you want to add in, you can go on be adding in. These are all the things which is already given. So if you want to add in something else, you can do that. XML and other things. Everything is given already. And okay, some of them I have added. Okay, what I suggest, Rai Chaudhary Saab, let us not get into this because this is slightly more technical. We will do it in another forum. Another day we will do. Not today.
Sure. I
Because,
just asked
correct.
nothing.
Hey, next time
Thank
when
you.
we meet, we will do this. No doubt. I
Okay,
assure you.
okay.
But for the time being, it is possible to create bookmarks and hyperlinks and convert them into a PDF file with hyperlink, which will be very, 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 very useful for your reader. It is 8 o'clock. So I think for today's session, we can close at this point. I will tell you what I intended to do today. Default directory, autocorrect, read the document, quick access toolbar I have not done, which we'll see customized ribbon, watermark, subscript, superscript, personal touch with your own, and then Google syncing, convert to PDF, translating document, creating table contents. So most of them I try to cover. So since it is 8 o'clock, since the timing we agreed that it was between 6:30 to 8, I would like to close at this point. But they keep the discussions open in case anybody wants to have any particular thing you wanted to know. Before I close, I will only give you one small information. How many of you have seen this place on top? Auto save. You have got a save button, undo button, redo button, can't repeat, and there is one more where you have got all these things. How many of you have seen? This is called quick toolbar. See, this is a toolbar, but this is called quick toolbar. I will finish with this. When you go to more, when you go to option, when you go to quick toolbar access, you can add any of things which is given here. So many are available. If you want to read aloud, wherever you are, just have a look at it. This quick toolbar, they don't change. Whereas in home, all these things will vanish if I click insert. All these things will vanish if I click draw. All these things will vanish if I click design. Whereas nothing will vanish when I have put them in the quick toolbar. So for your own convenience, whatever you think you are going to use 100 times, put them into the quick toolbar. I have put auto save, save, undo, redo. Suppose we want, let's say, we are trying to do add a table. So I will put it here in the toolbar. I will okay it. Just for example, I am telling. Now, quick toolbar mein table has come. So table will not go away. Normally, if I want table, I will have to go to insert and table. Home say I cannot do, whereas here I can do. From review, I cannot go and add a table. Now I can do. This is the advantage of quick access toolbar. So friends, I will stop at this point and I will stop sharing. Now I think we can discuss with any particular points.
Hello, sir.
Oh, I am very happy to see Eveready Spinning Mills have put it in a conference hall and many people are attending. Thank you very much. I think that's a
Hello,
very
hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, we can also create our own customized ribbon. Use
Yes,
you
you can see that. You can see that. I agree. So Eveready Spinning Mills, Sangaya sir is there. Okay, thank you, sir. All of you, I think you brought your whole team. That's very nice. Yes. Anybody else have any particular point, please? Ramani sir.
No.
Well,
I'll try, sir.
Kumar.
All these things I'll try independently and get back to you, sir.
I hope
it is,
this
uh,
session
very
was
useful.
useful.
Yes, sir. It is useful. We have learned many new things. Life is a continuous learning process. I believe in that.
Okay, sir.
So I have learned some quite new things today. It is exciting.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Satyanarayana garu. First time వచ్చారు కదా.
Time కాదండి, సెకండ్ టైం బ్లాక్ చైన్ వచ్చాను కదా.
Oh, blockchain now. Okay, blockchain attend చేశారు. Okay, fine. So was it useful?
Putting the seal and the hyperlinks. I think hyperlinks is something is, especially it is available in PDF. It makes the reports very interesting for people.
Yeah,
I think
true.
a lot of you made it look very easy. I think when I start working tomorrow.
No. I didn't make it look very easy. It is easy only. See, whatever we do not know is difficult. From today, whatever you have learned becomes easy. That is all. See, if I can do, you can do. I am able to do it at this age. You are all very young. You can do much more wonders. That's what I believe. What, Saravanan sir? What is your viewpoint? Difficult? I don't think so. Easy.
Only the question of the speed at which the practice at which we do.
You will be able to do so.
We
Only
will
thing
do
is
it after some time.
this gives you a lot of options.
So presentation skills goes up and it enhances the reporting value.
Yeah, thank you.
Really,
Yes,
for
sir.
advocates, they say
Yes.
daily preparing papers. If they have this, this is very, very useful, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, these architects and other things who are giving reports, actually, valuation reports and other things, they change only certain things that this one. Parameters.
Thank
only
you, sir. Sir, Ganesh, sir. Mr. Ganesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was very useful. Thank you very much. Actually, this is new to me. A few icons I have to bring it in my I have Word
Quick answer.
13 and Word 16. I have to bring it. That I will do it by just Googling it. How do I bring it actually? Like recording and all that, I couldn't bring it. I will bring it back. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I leave it.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
okay. SK is, what is the full form?
Sir?
SK.
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm
Can
Kumar
I
Rajan.
hear Mr. SK?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes.
I'm S. Kumar Rajan from
Oh.
Madurai.
Oh, sir, உங்க face தெரியல.
Sir, நான் purpose-ஆ வந்து
That is why there was an
sir.
issue.
And in fact, I was telling you
Okay,
that
okay.
I had a cataract operation, so I do not want to face
Okay,
the
sir.
problem.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
In fact, I'm happy and I was hearing from the beginning.
Okay.
One
Good,
of
sir.
my
I
doubt
understand. I understand.
is, yeah, but only one of my
Sir,
doubt
some
is,
of the
sir,
participants wanted one more session on this topic because some more things we can cover. Maybe after some days we will do it, the session, sir. Okay.
sure,
And
sure.
Vadivel, you have any closing remarks? You want to say anything? Vadivel, Gopalakrishnan sir is there. Then we invite him also. Vadivel? So I think they must be busy with something. So we will formally close at this point. And thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks for the